Today guys, we're playing Pull Her Down. This is scary secret, scary. Like it very camp. We're discovering secret guys, so okay, this is the first secret. Let's climb that thousand. They just after this. Nobody like if you go to the mentor, if you want, there's a secret about his hair. You have to go up there. We're not going to the no. Well, my belly is hurting. I know you so lonely. There's a meeting poster over there. Let's go. Boom. This obviously so obviously hard, so don't make this hard. Don't let this is a scary secret in these games. Stay tuned to the scary part. It's stay tuned guys. There's some, you guys know why there's some hairs. This is falling from there. That's the the first secret is here. We're not going to get it. I remember the path. This is where it gets out. But we're gonna go there after later. But we're gonna go here first. I know you belong to me. Cute potato, cute potato. This game is based on a real story. This game is based on a real story. So stay tuned for the secret. We are at the black thing. No, fuck you. No, before. No! God. Oh no. So, we got so fucking no, we're not rage baiting this game. We're not rage baiting this time. Let's rage bait. If I rage bait in this game, you all can unsubscribe me. I'm not gonna get angry, but I will forgive you, okay? So, let's go. My mom is she's super loud. Super loud. Caitlyn Luwan. Caitlyn Luwan. Hindi kasama sa game. Kita ba siya? Ikaw, Caitlyn Luwan. Makikita niyo yung secret na to. Alam ko na paano sa team ends. Now, we're going back to the followers. Oh, the subscribers and the guys who is watching my videos. I don't know what it is. Is it the video? Or do you not have to pay it? Well, Mr. Red. You, at the red, you don't. At the red, it's hard at the red. Because you have to play this game. No! No! No, no, don't get angry. Bad. No, they say sorry. Give him a no. Oh, so moving on to my friends. Okay, hindi na tuluan. Hindi nyo alam na dito. Papakita ko lang sa inyo to. Ginawa ko to para sa big secret. Big secret. So, let's go. Going back to my viewers. My subscribers. I thought it was viewers, subscribers. Okay? I know. Okay, now I'm not gonna speak anymore. Moving on to my subscribers, we're back. But my friends, I will tell them, hey, Caitlyn Luwan, mga burat kayo, alam ko, mga boys nyo, mga burat. Caitlyn, tignan nyo na po. Oh! Okay, ito na yung secret part. Let's talk to my best friend here. Montitos S. Okay, ito na. Nireview ko lang ito sa inyo guys. Caitlyn. Ito na. Nakita niya na, so goodbye. No. Bye.